Hi guys! This video is a two-part series about making spicy peanut sauce to serve with chicken or beef satay, a well-loved Malaysian street food. Over to you, Mum!
I'm just dry fry the raw peanut and I chose the split one so that I don't have to work so hard to remove the skin. If you don't remove the peanut skin, it will float in your sauce. Some people just bought the blanched peanut and they also do this way. It's by choice actually what type of peanut. But some people also try to roast it in the oven, but roasting in the oven will give you just like a pale color peanut sauce. I like to dry fry in a pan so that the black one will give color to the sauce. Don't grind it too fine, yeah, because fine peanut sauce is not so nice. This is my desired color, not too brown and not too light.
Now that we've talked about peanuts enough, other ingredients include lemongrass to make it smell nice and a can of condensed milk to sweeten the sauce. Roughly chop the fresh ingredients before blending it with some water. Choose a big deep pot with high walls. You'll thank me for this choice later when you see the mess it makes. Add in olive oil, then fry your blended ingredients together with the 2 extra lemongrass until it becomes aromatic and changes color. The ever-present homemade sambal belacan paste. Pop in 2 tablespoons of it, add more if you want to feel the fiery burn the next day, then add in 2 tablespoons of blended capsicum paste to add more punch to the color and fry for about 20 minutes until the oil breaks the surface of the paste. Don't cheat on the frying time.
This one have to be patient a bit, yeah? Because once this one is not cooked, you have that uncooked taste, which is not very good.
When you see the paste swimming in its own oil, add in the crushed nuts that you prepared earlier and stir. If anything, this recipe will test your arm and shoulder strength because you will need to mix a lot to prevent the peanuts from burning.
This type of recipe using condensed milk, it can last ages in the fridge. You can either use the tamarind juice or pieces. I prefer the pieces, okay? Sometimes the juice, if it comes from a dark colored tamarind, so it will alter the color of your peanut sauce.
Let the sauce simmer until the oil breaks the surface again, and then your delicious peanut sauce is ready to go. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned for the second part where we go over the satay meat marinade and skewering the satay so that we can eat it together with this sauce. See you in the next one. Bye!
Some people, the easy way out, what did they do? They just use the peanut butter.